Hello, I'm Luca, welcome back to the channel. So I've documented my hair growth journey over the last few years. I started out with a cropped fringe and have gone through the motions all the way to a man bun. It's recently occurred to me that I've never documented anybody else's hair growth on this channel, so today we're going to be focusing on footballer Ruben Neves. We'll be discussing his 5 stages of hair growth from buzzcut to man bun, and thanks to Bluemon for sponsoring this video, we'll be discussing what products suit each hair length best. So Ruben started out with a buzzcut, which was much shorter than the hair length I started out at. There isn't really an awful lot to say about the buzzcut. There isn't much hair to play around with. There isn't really going to be any products that change the look of it. It mostly suits those with a dominant facial structure such as Ruben, and it's largely dependent on your barber's ability, because if your barber does a bad job, there isn't going to be any product or hairstyle that magically solves it. Ruben then transitioned into a very short hair period, and my read on this is that he just didn't really know what best suited him. And much like the buzzcut, this is largely dependent on your barber's ability, but here we can start playing around with products. With thick short hair such as Ruben's, your best bet is to use a matte clay. That way you can add texture into the hair, you'll get good volume and hold. If you have this length hair and you're looking for a product that will last all day long, Bluemon's Cavalier Clay is a great option. If you're looking for a more textured hairstyle with a little more flexibility in the hold, Bluemon's Hybrid Cream Clay is the perfect fit. So moving on to Ruben's mid growth, this is just before we enter the awkward stage. In my personal opinion, it's the best stage of growing your hair out. You have enough hair length to play around with various different hairstyles. You can pretty much use any product out there. For example, back when I was at this stage of hair growth, I experimented with the forward-facing fringe. I tried the Leonardo DiCaprio middle parting. Now, because of how versatile this hair length is, it's a great opportunity to inform you all of Bluemon's Black Friday sale. Bluemon are offering 30% off site-wide this Black Friday. So it's a great opportunity to restock on any Bluemon products or just to try them out for the first time. If you spend over $30, you get 1 travel size product of your choice. And if you spend over $50, you get 2. I've used Bluemon products for over 5 years now, and my personal favorites are Monarch Matte Paste, because I feel like it pretty much works in any hair, any length, and it's just such a good go-to. Cloud Control, which is their hair oil, which is just a really nice fit into a hair care routine. And as of today, they've released their Coastal Texture Salt Spray, which is a perfect transition into the next stage of hair growth, the awkward stage. So I personally believe Ruben executed this stage of hair growth perfectly. Back when I was in the awkward stage, I always used to advise to you guys that were in it, just let it flow, let it do its own thing. It doesn't last forever. It's by far the most challenging aspect of growing your hair out. It tends to be the make or break. This is where people either commit fully or just give in and go back to shorter hair. Hair accessories at this stage are your best friend. Hairbands, hats, beanies, and the list goes on. Now, Bluemon's Texture Salt Spray is a great product during this stage. By applying a couple sprays into damp hair, you're left with a wavy textured look, which again just emphasizes that flow. It's very difficult to make the awkward stage look neat and intentional, so you may as well go all out and just texture it up. So all in all, a big kudos to Ruben for knuckling through this stage of hair growth, especially on such a big stage where his hair is exposed to millions of people every single week. And last but not least, the man bun, his current go-to hairstyle, which I personally believe suits him best. He sometimes ties it loosely, he sometimes ties it slicked. His slick buns tend to have quite a natural shine, so he's most likely using a pomade in these scenarios. Bluemon's 5th Sample Pomade, again, I've used it for many years, is great at achieving this. And when he's tied his hair loosely, the likelihood is that he's just washed his hair, dried it, and then tied it straight up. There's no product really keeping it together. So my personal advice to Ruben himself during these days, if he was looking for more of a structured, controlled look, Monarch Matte Paste is a great option. It makes the hair so much more workable, reduces frizz and flyaways, and all in all just results in a really effective daily hairstyle. But that brings this video to an end. If you did enjoy it, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated. We're back posting every single week, so subscribe if you haven't already. For the odd bit of hair inspo or lifestyle clip, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Lucasantangelo. And just as a reminder, Bluemon's Black Friday sale has just gone live, so be sure to check them out if you've ever been interested in trying a Bluemon product or if you're looking to restock your current ones. But until then, I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.